a whole lot more. School is not just about learning. It's also about having fun. I like our very own outdoor playground where my friends and I can play and have fun. Schools have to enhance our talent. I like joining school programs